Is it okay to shout or scream during labor? This is a question that frequently pregnant mothers ask. So let me answer this in this particular video. Hi, I am Saranya, the founder of Babypedia. I'm a birth professional and a life coach for mothers. So now the answer to the question, can I scream or shout during labor, is a definite yes. Why not? But before you start screaming, I want you to consider the following points. Screaming or shouting is going to take more energy out of you. It's going to drain the energy that you have. You are going to be so focused on the pain, on the intensity, that you will not be able to do much of the other things. Screaming and shouting can push you into a negative thought spiral. So that is why we usually recommend pregnant women not to scream or shout during labor. But if you feel like you need to vocalize so that you feel better, other alternate options are you can hum, you can sing, or you can just breathe during your contractions. These are all different things that will definitely help you. So for humming, if you don't know, you can just do the om humming. So this has known to definitely help manage the discomfort that you're feeling during your contractions. You could hold different positions, or at the same time you could try simple breathing techniques. I will share the link to different breathing techniques that will help you manage your pain during labor in the description below. Don't forget to watch it to know how to manage your contractions. So instead of screaming, I've given you different tactics that you can use. You can hold on to something, squat, hold different positions, breathe, and you can vocalize if you need to. But try not to scream, because it's going to drain all the energy. It's going to push you into a negative spiral sometimes, and it can be very distracting for you. You will not be able to focus on doing other measures that is going to shorten labor for you. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with another pregnant couple, and subscribe to the Babypedia channel to get more information about pregnancy, birth, parenting, breastfeeding, and much more. Take care, and I will see you soon in another interesting video. Till then, this is Saranya. Bye-bye.